Hi guys, welcome to Saving with Cecile. I'm here at Walgreens to do my weekly deal, and the one I did today, I was rolling over registry reward on from one transaction to another transaction, and all the items over here they have a value of $50.49. My auto packet I pay only $12.05, and I got $3.70 back from Abota, which will make my auto packet over here only $6.35 for $50.49 a product. I was able to roll over registry reward, and I want to share this deal with you. And the first thing you have to do, just go to your app and click this spend the $10 or over and earn $10 in Walgreens cash. This one really helped. And this is the one I did. So for the first deal, what I did, I grabbed three Crest, the 3D white. The price is $5 each. So the total is $15, and I clip this 5 off digital coupon when you buy three. So after packet, after this $5 off digital coupon, after packet I pay $10, and I earn $10 in Walgreens cash because I clip this coupon spend 10 or over and earn $10 in Walgreens cash. And then I receive $5 register reward when you buy three Crest. I submit my receipt to Abota for 50 cents. It's giving 50 cents each. Since I grab three, so I got $1.50 for Abota. My final cost for this first transaction, the final cost is free plus $6.50 money maker. And now I have $10 in Walgreens cash and $5 of register reward. But this $5 of register reward, we will work only if I spend on Crest and Aura B products, and I will keep this one for my last transaction. So for my second transaction, I grab one Colgate toothbrush. The price is $5, and then I clip this $2 digital coupon. And also I grab one Colgate toothpaste for $5, and I clip this $2 digital coupon. My total here is $10, and after the digital coupon, the $4 digital coupon, the total is $6, and I redeem $5 in Walgreens cash because I earn a $10 for my previous transaction. So out of packet, over here, I pay only $1 plus tax, and I receive $5 registry reward for buying two Colgate. For my third transaction, I grab a Crest mouthwash. The price is $6 because on this one I want to use this $5 registry reward, the one I earn for my first transaction, and I clip this $1 digital coupon, and also I will submit my receipt to Abota because it's giving $1 back for this. And also I grab three down dish soap. Uh, this week the price is when you buy it, you're gonna get the three for $9, and we don't have no coupon for this. So my total, everything here, my total is $15. And after $1 digital coupon, the one I clip from the Crest, the total is $14, and I use $5 registry reward for my previous transaction, and also I use $5 registry reward, the one I earned for my second transaction, and I redeem $4 in Walgreens cash, and out of packet I paid 0. For my last transaction, I want to use this $5 register reward, the one I earned last week. So what I did, I grabbed one Scott toilet paper. The price is $5, and I clip this $1 manufacturing coupon, And also I clip this $1.25 Walgreens coupon. And also I grab one Danny rice. The price is $5.49. And then we have $2.50 digital coupon, the one I clip. So the total is $10.49. After the coupons, the total now is $5.74. And I use this $5 register reward. And out of packet, I pay only 74 cents plus tax. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumb up. If you do not subscribe yet, please subscribe and don't forget to push the notification bell. So next time when I upload the video, you're going to be notified so you don't miss any good deal. Thank you so much. Have a nice weekend and take care. Bye bye.